Hello students, today we will learn the exercise 3.19 7th question. Let A equal to 1213, B equal to 4015, C equal to 2012. Show that the first one A into BC is equal to AB into C. So first take the LHS value. So in LHS, A into BC. So first you complete the BC value. So BC means the product of B matrix and C matrix. So first you write the B matrix 4, 0, 1, 5. C matrix 2, 0, 1, 2. So in multiplication we consider the row and the column. The first row, the first column, 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 into 0, 0. Next the same row, the first row, the second column, 4 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Next consider the second row, first column, that is 1 2s are 2, 5 1s are 5. Second row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. So the BC value is 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 10 plus 0, 0. So BC equal to 870. Next we have to find A into BC value. So first write the A matrix and BC matrix 8, 0, 7, 10. Next we have to find the product of A into BC. The first row, the first column, 8 1s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So this is A 1 1 elements. Next the same row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 2 10s are 20. Second row, the first column, 1 8s are 8, 7 3s are 21. The second row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 10 3s are 30. So what is the answer? 14 plus 8, 22, 0 plus 20, 20, 21 plus 8, 29, 0 plus 30, 30. So this is the LHS value A into BC. So take equation number 1. So next we have to find the RHS value. So AB into C. First you complete the product of AB, then complete AB into C. First we have to find the product of A and B. So this is A matrix, B matrix. So first row, the first column, 4 1s are 4, 1 2s are 2. The same row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. Second row, the first column, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. The second row, the first column, 1 into 0, 0, 3 5s are 15. So this is the AB value. Next we have to find the product of AB into C. So this is AB value, C matrix. So the first row, the first column, 6 2s are 12, 10 1s are 10. The first row, second column, so 6 into 0, 0, 10 2s are 20. Second row, the first column, 7 2s are 14, plus 15 1s are 15. The second row, the second column, 7 into 0, 0, 15 2s are 30. So 12 plus 10, 22, 0 plus 20, 20 here, 14 plus 15, 29, 30. So this is the equation number 2. So equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. Therefore LHS value equal to RHS value. Seventh question, second one, A minus B into C is equal to AC minus BC. So first take the LHS value, A minus B into C. First complete A minus B, then multiply A minus B into C. So A minus B, so this is A matrix minus B matrix. So in addition and subtraction, we consider the corresponding elements. The first elements, that is 1 minus 4, the answer is minus 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 5, minus 2. So this is A minus B value. So next we have to multiply A minus B into C. So this is A minus B answer into C matrix. So the product of A minus B into C. The first row, the first column. So plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 6. So next 2 1s are 2. The same row, second column, 0 into minus 3, 0. 2 2s are 4. Again second row, first column, 2 into 0, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. The second row, the first column, 0 plus into minus, minus 4. So A minus B into C, the answer is minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 0 minus 4, minus 4. So this is the equation number 1. It is LHS value. Next we have to find the RHS value AC minus BC. First you complete the product of AC and BC. Then we have to subtract the AC minus BC value. So first you complete the AC value. So this is A matrix, B matrix. So the product of AC means the row and the column. The first row, the first column, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again the first row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. The second row, the first column, 1 4s are 4, 3, 0 plus 15. So the answer is 8, 10, 7, 15. So BC value, the product of B and C. So the answer is 4 2s are 8, 0 into 1, 0. Again the first row, second column, 0, 0 into 2, 0 here. The second row, first column, 1 2s are 2, 5 1s are 5. The second row, first column, 1 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. So the BC answer is 8, 0, 7, 10. Next we have to find the AC minus BC. So this is AC value minus BC value. So we should subtract the matrix here. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 5 minus 7 minus 2. 6 minus 10 minus 4. So this is the equation number 2. So equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Therefore A minus B into C is equal to AC minus BC. Hence verified. Seventh question, third one, A minus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. First take the LHS value A minus B the whole transpose. First complete the A minus B value. So A matrix 1 2 1 3 minus B matrix 4 0 1 5. So here subtraction only. So 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2. So this is A minus B value. So A minus B the whole transpose. So transpose means we have to change the row into column only here. So minus 3 2 is the row only. Just consider column here. Minus 3 2 0 minus 2, just interchange the row and the column. So A minus B, the whole transpose value is minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. So this is the equation number 1. Next we have to find the RHS value A transpose minus B transpose. So A transpose, here A transpose value, this is a value, just to interchange the row and the column. 1, 2, 1, 3, it is 1, 2, 1, 3. So B transpose, so this is the B value 4, 0, 1, 5, just interchange the row and column 4, 0, 1, 5. So A transpose minus B transpose. So A transpose value 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 1, 0, 5. So 1 minus 4, the answer is minus 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 5, minus 2. So this is the equation number 2. So equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. A minus B, the whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose, hence verified. 8th question. If A equal to cos theta 0, 0 cos theta, B equal to sin theta 0, 0 sin theta, then show that A square plus B square equal to I. That is I means unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 only. Here first take the LHS value. So first take the LHS value. A square plus B square. Here first complete the A square value. So A square means A into A. So the product of A matrix into A matrix. So here the A matrix cos theta 0, 0 cos theta into the A matrix cos theta 0, 0 cos theta. Now multiply the row and column wise here. The first row, the first column, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, 0 into 0, 0. Next the first row, second column, cos theta into 0, 0, 0 into cos theta, 0. Second row, first column, 0 into cos theta, 0 plus 0 into cos theta, 0. Next the second row, the first column, second column, 0 into 0, 0, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So the A square value is cos square theta 0, 0, cos square theta. So this is the A square value. Next we have to find the B square value. So B square means B into B. So this is B matrix into B matrix. So multiplication only here, the row and column, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, 0 into 0, 0. Again sin theta into 0, 0 plus 0 here. The second row, first column, 0 plus 0. The second row, the second column, 0 into 0, 0. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So sin square theta, 0, 0, sin square theta. So this is the B square value. So next we have to find the sum of A square value plus B square value. So this is A square answer plus B square answer here. So add the value here, cos square theta plus sin square theta, the first one. Next 0 plus 0, 0. Here also 0. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta. So we know that the trigonometry identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value is 1. So 1, 0, 0. Here also sin square theta plus cos square theta. The answer is 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, that is I. Unit matrix, the diagonal value is 1. So equal to I. Therefore equal to RHS. So A square plus B square equal to I. I means unit matrix, the diagonal value is 1. Hence proved. Ninth question. If A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, prove that A transpose equal to I. That is unit matrix. So A transpose. First you complete the A transpose value here. So this is A matrix. A transpose means we have to interchange the row and column. So cos theta sin theta, this is the first row. Change to column here. So cos theta sin theta. Minus sin theta cos theta, just change the column wise, minus sin theta cos theta. So this is A transpose. Now we have to multiply A into A transpose. This is A matrix into A transpose. The same multiplication only here. The first row, the first column, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. The same row, second column, cos theta into minus sin theta. So plus into minus, minus, minus cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, plus sin theta into cos theta. The second row, the first column, minus sin theta into cos theta, minus sin theta cos theta into sin theta, plus cos theta into sin theta. The second row, the second column, minus into minus plus, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta, the answer is 1. Here minus cos theta sin theta, this one plus sin theta cos theta, here cancel. So here also same only cancel. So 1, 0, 0. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, the answer is 1. So the equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to I. That is unit matrix. Therefore A into A transpose equal to I. Hence proved. 11th question. If A equal to A, B, C, D, I equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, show that A square minus of A plus D into A is equal to BC minus AD into I2. So first take the LHS value. A square minus of A plus D into A. So first take the A square value. So A square means A into A. So we have tried A 2 times. The product of A into A. So A value is A, B, C, D. So again the A value A, B, C, D. So multiplication only here. The first row, this is the first row, the first column, A into A square, B into C. So A into A square, B into C, BC. The first row, the second column, A into B, AB, B into D, BD. The second row, first column, C into A, that is CA or AC, both are equal. Then D into C, DC. The second row, the second column, C into B, that is BC, D into D, D square. So this is the A square value. Second one, A plus D into A. So A plus D into A matrix. So we have to multiply A plus D in each column and row. So A plus D into A. So A into A, the answer is A square. A into D, AD. So multiply each elements A plus D. Second one here, A into B, AB. D into B, B, D. So here A plus D is the constant value here. So A into C, AC, D into C, CD or DC. Next A plus D into D. A into D, AD, D into D, D square. Next we have to find A square minus of A plus D into A. So this is A square value minus of A plus D into A value here. So we should subtract the elements. The first one, A square plus BC minus of A square minus AD. So plus A square minus A square cancel. So the remaining element is BC minus AD. Here AB plus BD. Here also AB plus BD. So cancel only. So plus AB minus AB cancel. Plus BD minus BD cancel. So the answer is 0. So here also AC plus CD, AC plus CD cancel. So the remaining value is 0. So here plus D square minus D square cancel. The remaining one BC minus AD. So here BC minus AD common. So take outside BC minus AD. The remaining 1, 0, 0, 1. So this equal to BC minus AD into this unit matrix I2. So this is I2 equal to RHS. Hence verified. 13th question. If A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 0. So first take the A square value. So A square means we have to write A 2 times A into A. That is A here 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So the product of A into A, the first row, the first column 3 3s are 9, plus into minus minus 1. Again the first row, the second column 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. The second row, first column, plus into minus minus 3, plus into minus minus 2. The second row, second column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 9 minus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1 plus 3. So this is the A square value. Next find the minus 5A value. So minus 5 into A matrix. So minus 5 into, that is A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So multiply each elements minus 5. So plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15. And here also plus into minus, minus 5 1s are 5. Minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5. Plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10. So next find the 7 into I2. So 7 is the constant value. So I2 is the unit matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Now multiply 7 into the matrix. 7 into 1 7. 7 into 0 0 0 7. Next we have to add A square value minus 5A plus 7I2. So this is A square. So already we find out minus 5A. Then only we put plus here. So plus into minus 5A value plus 7 into I2 value here. So add the elements. The first one 8 minus 15 plus 7. Second element 5 minus 5 plus 0. So third one minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Here 3 minus 10 plus 7. So what is the answer here? 7 plus 8 15. 15 minus 15 0. Here also 5 minus 5 0. 0. 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 10 0. So equal to 0 only. Therefore A square minus 5A plus 7i2, the value is 0. Hence proved. Thank you students. We will meet the next video class.